Hey guys, the Reassembly collector here. Today we're gonna be repairing him, the Gemmy animated Snoring Santa. It was sold at Walmart. I don't know what year, I think 1996 or 7, somewhere around there. His arm was in the picture of Facebook Marketplace, but now it's not. It's missing, and the glasses are broken. One side is missing, but this side is still here. Here's this is split gear for the belly. It's buzzing. Yeah, we're first gonna take this stuff out. The glue off of this thing. Alright, let me take it. This black hat for some reason. The other version doesn't even have that. Wait, let me see. That was definitely sport gears. The motor shop one doesn't even spin. How do you take this cap off? Oh, there's a screw in here. There's a screw in here, and that's what it is. No, that's not. Wait, that's not even it. What? For some reason, it's glue in here. I don't know why. So screws. Oh yeah, there's screws holding it on down here too. This one's different, not the same version. It's a different version, obviously. It's not the hat version. I mean the one that moves the hat. This one's a different version. This one's kind of built differently, but yeah. It's pretty dusty and dirty, but it works. That's what matters. Wow, those screws are different ever since this screws. I thought they're pretty long. Those other 4 screws is just for the legs, I think, for the back legs. I don't know. Okay, let's see if we can. Okay, now we can take it off now. Oh, that's a metal piece. Oh yeah, there's another screw in here. I was about to snap that. But it stands up. Let's see. Yep, sure enough, the gear split. And that belt is bad, jeez. My god, that belt is like... Yeah, that thing is... Jeez. Look at the belt. Look at this. Does it even move when it... No, that thing is worn out. It's so bad. Okay, I'm gonna have to put a new belt on that. Let's... Yeah. I think I have to take the screws off now. Right? Yeah, it should be. It's 4 screws. I think you have to take the gearbox. Just this thing. strip. Very, very dirty. These things, it is kind of sad that they would like, they get so dirty over the years. I mean, really. The 1990 ones, the 1990 Gemmy ones, they're just, yeah. It's glued on in there, I think. Oh, damn. Oh, no, there we go. Oh, there's 3 gears on this one. Let's take a bit. That's how they go. Okay. And there's the one that's split. All they got is an 8-tooth gear. Yep. Of course. An 8-tooth gear. Yep. Okay. Let's take one of these out of my boxes. Is this the one? I have 10 tooths and 8 tooths. Yeah, this is an 8-tooth. Okay. Take one of these out. Okay. This one's new. I have to like. You can't even push. You can't push them like this. You have to like. Oh my god. Why are my hands shaking? I mean, really, every time. Okay, let's see if it's like line up correctly. Oh my god, I don't want to break this. Ouch. Really? I can't even push the gear down. I think you might have to like... It's not a pushing. I think you might have to like... Wait. I need to push it a little more. I think now you can. I think now I can push it now. Oh my god, why are these gears like... No, I'm gonna have to push that all the way down. I can't even... Yeah, just... Okay, now, okay, I think it's all the way down now. Get in the hole. Get in the shaft. Okay. See. Wait, okay, I forgot it. Alright, that ball was kind of... Alright, there we go. That motor's kind of weak. Yeah, that motor is actually weak too. Whatever. It doesn't really bother me anyway, so let's just put the screws back on. Okay. Okay. Put the other three back on. You can see my Oogie Boogie back there. Oh. And one more screw. Stop moving this. Oh my god, no. Stop moving. Oh. This one's... Sure, we'll see moving. Yeah, whatever. What did I go first? This thing and then this go in it. No, that's this. I forgot. Let's see. What work first? Okay. Let's see. I think this goes up like that, or the shirt on this thing is like, come on. Yeah, let's put that first. Okay, come on. Okay, let's put the other one. There's not a video how to fix this version, but the other one there is. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. So. Okay, it's still moving. This is an item you cannot turn off. See? It's one of those kind of items. Okay, so that's all of it from this, and now I need to put this back on. Let me put one screwdriver and put it on the metal body. I'll not be putting it in. Okay. Okay. Get in there, get in there. Alright. So the other one going? I think it is, yep. I think it is going there. 15 minutes, wow. That was quickly. That was a fast repair, wow. I thought it was gonna take longer than that, but no, it's actually this short. Okay. Now I think just probably have to glue this back on. Let's see if it moves. Oh, yep, it does. Yep. Okay, let's. Yep, it moves. Oh, the glasses. Yeah. So yeah, that was the how to fix the sleeping Santa, the snoring Santa, the Gemmy animated snoring Santa. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this repair video on this. I hope it will be helpful for you to repair yours if it's broken. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. So yeah, that's kind of weird. That pillow, surprisingly, is not dirty, but look at the face. Look how dirty it is. I have no idea how this thing survived in here, but yeah. But anyways, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and bye.